Hello Tech Explorers, need to log out of Immersity AI but not sure how? No worries, I'll show you the easiest way to do it. Let's go. How often do you log out your accounts? Or do you just stay signed in? Let me know in the comments below. First, open the Immersity AI website and make sure you are signed in. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon or username. Tap on it to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you will find the logout option. Tap on it and boom, you are signed out. And that's it, you have successfully logged out of Immersity AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.